Hi, I'm gonna show you guys today a very simple way that you can create any table using a shortcut. It's very useful in situations where you have a store proc, for example, and you want to see the data from a table that is used inside the store proc, but you don't want to write a query selecting the table. So it's very practical that. And at the same time, you can configure different things to use in a shortcut using SQL Server. It can be used in any version actually. So let's go into it. So these are some scripts. What I want to do actually is the same as select all from a table called client, for example. But here I am really typing the select, and sometimes we just want to select the table without writing the complete instruction. So our way to do that is if we go to tools, after we go to options, then under environment, and then under keyboard, we're gonna see that we have several combinations, shortcut combinations that we can use here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go, for example, here in Control 3, I'm gonna write the beginning, just the first part of a select query. So select all from, and then I'm gonna put a space at the end. So this space is important, it's necessary, otherwise it's not gonna work properly. In Control 4, I'm gonna do a select top. Select top, I'm gonna do 100, all from, and I'm gonna put a space at the end. And Control 5, I'm gonna do a select count from and a space at the end. So you could put any other combination of things or any other instructions to be easily accessible with a shortcut, but for now I'm gonna use just these three. I'm gonna confirm it. One thing that we need to do is, after doing that, we need to restart the SQL Server Management Studio. So I'm gonna try to reopen it. So I just reopened my SQL Server Management Studio. I'm gonna select the right database demo, and I have the same code here. Now if I select the name of the table and then I hit Control 3, I'm gonna see the results of this table. I'm gonna query the table right away. If I want to see the top 10, so I'm gonna do Control 4, I see the top 10, or Control 5, I see the number of records in the table. So this is a very simple but very practical tip that a lot of people don't know and can help a lot when you are debugging a store procedure, a function, and you don't want to write any code in that store proc, in that script, but you want to query the table to see the data. This way it's gonna help you understand how the store procedure or the function works. So that's it. I hope you guys like it. See you next time.